Hello, my name is Nora, and as most of you know, last year we organized a holiday party for kids in Burundi, and this year we wanted to do something a little different and provide hygienic products for girls in rural parts of Burundi. In many parts of the world, girls don't have access to proper hygienic products for their periods and have to miss about a week of school every month, which would equate in 8 months they would miss 2 months, which is almost one trimester. So I just thought that was really unfair and in a way that was hindering their education. So having access to those things should be a right. I decided to organize a fundraising where we could provide them with these products so they can go to school and get an education. This project is called Jewe Nawe, which translates to You and I truly believe that you and I can make a difference and help these girls reach their full potential. Sort of break the stigma of periods. I encourage men, women, everyone to donate because for some reason a lot of men think that it's like none of their business. It's a normal thing. It's life. I don't think it's anything to be ashamed of. So please help us do this, and it's really just the right thing to do. So please donate. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.
Bonjour, mon nom est Ryan. Si on obtient beaucoup de donations, on va payer les factures médicales de personnes qui sont à l'hôpital qui sont pas capables de les payer eux-mêmes. If we get enough money, we are going to pay the bills, the medical bills for the people in the hospital who can't do it themselves. Please donate. Thank you.
Merci à l'association Tukile et Joheza pour avoir accepté de travailler avec nous et d'aider à identifier ces filles. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you when I see you.